Hey, this is Brock with Two Strokes. In this episode of Brock Reviews, I'll be going over the Okuma Traveling Fishing Kit. When you purchase your Okuma Fishing Travel Set, inside it'll have a split rod, a reel, a little plastic tackle box to hold your lures or artificial baits, and inside it has a nice foam case where it has spots to put the reel, the rod, and the tackle box. As you can see, the case that comes when you purchase your fishing traveling set, it has a nice vinyl case to protect your gear from damage or weather. So as you can see, I have a pack of tiny hooks for trout fishing. I have a case of mixtures of lures and flies. And also a little plastic container full of light weights. So as you can see, the reel that comes with your traveling set is a Okuma Voyager reel. And as you can see, I set it up with some light line to get those big trout. So on the reel, it has a 1 ball bearing, so when you cast out for those big fish, it makes it easier and smooth casting to get for those hard to reach places. It holds up to 8-pound line for 80 yards, and it also has a nice stainless bail on it, a nice rubber grip. So when you fight those fish, you don't lose your grip and lose that fish you want to catch. It is a nice reel to go after those fish while you're traveling. So for the rod, you have 5 pieces that slide together to make the rod. So first, you have the handle part where the reel seat, where the reel goes. Then you have the second part with the big guy, first that slides into the end. Then you have the other end of the next smaller eye. Then the small eye just before the last 2 eyes go in next. Then the last part with the 2 eyes is the tip of the rod. The length of the rod is 6 foot, and for those who use lures, the lure weight is 1/16 ounce to a 3/8 ounce lure. The Okuma Fishing Kit is a great deal because you get the accessories to start fishing for those fish. I also keep one in my truck, so when I go by those ponds, I can cast out for those unexpected fish. For you trout lovers, one tip that I did, I cut out a circle right here so that I can store my favorite 1.45 ounce fluorescent red power bait. So thanks for watching this review. Make sure to check out my channel for more fishing videos.